We're gonna do an unboxing for the new Mac Studio. We already have one open, and this is a brand new one. No one even touched it. So let's just open the cover box, because it's the first thing. So it's properly packaged. It's really clever the way how they're doing it. Even amazing. Let me put this on the floor. And then there is another paper stuff that we can remove it before we open the whole thing. Cool. And then we have to put it like this. Hopefully it's visible. It's gonna be open over there. Yeah. Cool. Good stuff. Even there are arrows here. This is so clever. So because you can like put it here, and then the device is here. So it's covered by paper. Yeah. So you can take one of these. It opens up. And hello, Mr. Mac Studio. The second one. You can be at the tower, look. That's impressive, isn't it? Yeah, actually the Max Dev model is like double for everything, so it's able to like it's had double the capacity of memory, of the CPU power, of the storage, even a lot more, but the performance is awesome. Yeah. So look at this. Amazing, stunning, looks pretty cool. And that power supply cable is also amazing. It's covered by textile, seriously. It's so cool, I love it. Yeah, done. Apart from that, the power supply cable and the device, there is the usual Apple leaflets. And one of the most important things is the black Apple logo. It's not the white one, because the black means you are pro, yeah? Only for pro devices. Do you know that, don't you? Yeah, you can have the white one for normal casual devices, but the black one is for special things, so it's cool. Done.